everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to talk briefly about one particular anti-vegan argument and my response to it. A very common one. There are lots of very commonly used arguments against veganism and none of them are actually logical. But today I'm just going to talk about one particular one which you will have been asked several times, I'm sure, if you're vegan or if you've been vegan for longer than the start of the year. Anyway, if you haven't just gone vegan for Veganuary, you've probably still been asked once or twice if you've just gone vegan for Veganuary. But it's a sort of argument that every vegan has heard. And if you're not vegan, you might not have heard of it, or you might have even asked it. Who knows? It is the lion's argument. The lion's argument is an interesting one because in a lot of ways, yeah, we are like lions in the sense that we have legs and a face and a brain and a lot of similar body parts. But lions are very different to us in terms of they are designed to eat animals. We as humans are definitely more designed to eat plants. So people sometimes say, but lions eat meat, or are you going to tell a lion to stop eating meat, or are you going to tell a lion to go vegan? Sometimes it's just more general, other animals eat meats, or animals eat other animals, something like that. But any of those arguments aren't really relevant to whether or not we as humans should go vegan or not. When I first went vegan, I didn't understand why people brought up lions when talking to vegans about veganism. I just didn't get it. I didn't make the connection in my mind. I thought, what would make them think of lions? Because we're talking about humans, not eating animals, not lions in the wild, in hot countries. It's completely different. But then I realised that it's because they're thinking of nature. They're thinking in nature, animals naturally eat each other. So as humans, we should be more natural and eat other animals like other animals do because it's natural. But actually, there are more species of animals in the world that are herbivores, only eating plants, than animals that eat other animals anyway. So it's not necessarily more natural to eat animals than it is to eat plants. But also, as humans, we do so much that is not natural anyway. So to think that we should copy what other animals in nature do because they're natural and we should be more natural doesn't make sense, because then we'd have to obviously get rid of all of the screens we use, the internet, laptops, computers, tablets, phones, houses made of brick, etc., cars, planes, trains. We would have to get rid of all those things we use if we want to be more natural like animals in nature. So it doesn't really make sense to just think other animals eat animals and they're natural, so why don't we copy them by eating animals and not going vegan? So the nature part of that argument doesn't make sense. And also, as humans, we are more designed to eat plants than lions are. Lions are designed to eat other animals and not plants, just animals. They're natural carnivores. And there's a lot of ways in which their bodies biologically are designed to eat animals, and they are different to humans. For example, lions can run a lot faster than humans can, and the reason they can run so fast is to chase their prey and to catch them. If we as humans were designed to eat animals, then we would be able to run faster as well. Also, lions have a shorter food tube because they digest when a being digests animals, the flesh goes through, doesn't need to go through as long a food tube, if that makes sense. I'm not explaining it very scientifically, but just basically. And also, lions obviously have very long, sharp teeth and claws designed to kill their prey. And as humans, it would be a bit difficult to use our nails and our teeth to kill animals, and it wouldn't be normal for us to do that. Baby humans do not have any desire to kill animals. It's like Gary Yorsky said. He said if you put a baby in a crib with an apple and a rabbit, the baby is not going to play with the apple and try and kill and eat the rabbit. Obviously, they want to play with the rabbit and eat the apple. That just goes to show that as humans, we do not naturally want to kill animals and eat them. And also, when people say that lions eat meat, so why don't we as humans? That sounds like they think we should be using lions as our moral role models, but that doesn't make any sense at all, obviously, because we as humans have a moral compass, and lions don't. They just don't have that way of thinking. As humans, we know that other animals don't want to be brutally killed and eaten, but lions are not designed to think that way. They're designed to eat other animals. So for a lot of reasons, it doesn't make sense to copy lions. And also, if we did want to copy lions, then we would do a lot of things differently. When lions greet each other, they sniff each other. They don't say hello. For example, there are a lot of things. Also, lions kill each other's babies and sometimes kill their own babies. And as humans, obviously, if we did that, then we would be put in prison, called a psychopath. That would be so wrong on so many levels, and we all know that. So we definitely don't want to copy what lions do. Basically, that's it. And yeah, they also... That's not... That they also do things like rape each other, lions do, and as humans, with some humans, talking of morals, some humans do that obviously, but we know that it's wrong and we don't want to copy what lions do because we're the ones with moral agency. We don't want to use them as moral role models. That would be wrong on so many levels. Yeah, that's it. I will debunk other anti-vegan arguments soon in future videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.